Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the life of one of the greatest scientists of all time, Sir Isaac Newton. This isn't just about some dusty old laws of physics though. Newton was working with nothing but his brain and a lot of parchment, and he gave us the tools to understand the universe in a whole new way. So, buckle up, get ready for some serious mind expansion, because we're about to explore the mind-blowing facts about the one and only Isaac Newton. Picture this. Christmas Day, 1642, Woolsthorpe Manor, England. A baby is born prematurely, so small he's not expected to live. This tiny tot, folks, is Isaac Newton. Can you imagine the odds? This little guy clinging to life would grow up to unravel the mysteries of gravity, light, and motion. Let's talk about Newton's laws of motion. The first law, inertia, an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless acted upon by a force. The second law, F equals ma force equals mass times acceleration. This explains why a rocket needs a massive amount of force to break free from Earth's gravity. And finally, the third law, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's laws are everywhere, constantly at work, whether we realize it or not. You've heard the story, right? Newton, chilling under an apple tree, an apple falls, and bam, gravity is discovered. Well, it might be a bit more nuanced than that, but the apple story does hold a kernel of truth. Newton himself said it got him thinking about why apples always fall straight down, not sideways or even up. This led him to ponder the moon. Why does it orbit the Earth? There had to be an invisible force, a pull, and that's how he cracked the code of universal gravitation. Before Newton, people thought white light was just that, white. But Newton, being Newton, decided to experiment. He passed a beam of sunlight through a prism, and what did he find? A rainbow. He showed that white light is actually a mixture of all the colors of the rainbow, a spectrum of colors, each with its own unique wavelength. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized our understanding of light and color. Back in Newton's day, telescopes used lenses, which often produced blurry images. Newton, ever the innovator, had a better idea: mirrors. He designed and built the first practical reflecting telescope, using a curved mirror to gather and focus light. This revolutionary design allowed for larger, more powerful telescopes, capable of seeing fainter, more distant objects in the cosmos. Even today, most major telescopes, including the Hubble Space Telescope, are based on Newton's ingenious design. Now here's a side of Newton you might not expect: the alchemist. Yes, you heard that right. Newton spent years of his life immersed in the world of alchemy, a blend of philosophy, mysticism, and early chemistry. He was fascinated by the idea of transmuting metals, creating the philosopher's stone, even discovering the elixir of life. It just goes to show that even the greatest minds can be drawn to the allure of the unknown. Forget the stereotypical image of a scientist tucked away in an ivory tower. Newton was a man of action. In 1696, he was appointed Warden of the Royal Mint, and later became Master of the Mint. His mission? To combat the rampant counterfeiting that was plaguing England's economy. Newton, with his meticulous nature and sharp intellect, took to the task with zeal. He hunted down counterfeiters, reformed the currency, and even introduced new minting techniques. In 1687, Newton published his magnum opus, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, or simply Principia. This wasn't just another book, it was a revolution in scientific thought. In its pages, Newton laid out his laws of motion, universal gravitation, and a whole new system of mathematics, calculus. It's no exaggeration to say that Principia changed the world. Even geniuses have rivals, and Newton was no exception. Enter Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a German mathematician, who also developed calculus independently of Newton. This led to a bitter dispute over who deserved credit for this revolutionary mathematical tool. The feud between Newton and Leibniz became legendary, dividing the scientific community for years. In 1705, Isaac Newton, the farm boy who unlocked the secrets of the universe, was knighted by Queen Anne. He became Sir Isaac Newton, a testament to his groundbreaking contributions to science, mathematics, and even national finance. His legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers, reminding us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Isaac Newton, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating videos. From his laws of motion that govern the movement of planets to his groundbreaking work on light and optics, Newton's impact on our understanding of the universe is immeasurable. He showed us that the universe is not a random, chaotic place, but rather a cosmos governed by elegant laws, laws that we can understand, laws that we can use to unlock its secrets. See you next time.